Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable emoji suggestions when typing on the LENOVO K5 Play. In SMS or other messages, you might want to have emojis. Normally, doing something like this does not show them. However, you can enable that by clicking on this button, then Settings. In here, click on Settings again. Here, swipe down to Advanced Settings. Now, swipe down until you see Enable Emoji Prediction. Here you will have to click Agree. This will enable emoji prediction, which will then allow you to type out the name of the emoji, which will then appear on the suggestion bar. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.